Hello, this is Robert Carter, District Technology Coach, looking at Google Sheets. So in this video, I'd like to look at sorting of data. And this is really important because for most part, whenever we're dealing with Google Sheets, we're typically doing some sort of data analysis. We want to take a look at the highs, the lows, and being able to sort that is a very key skill. So let's go ahead and use my example from my previous video. And let's start with highlighting the top row. And we're going to go ahead and create a filter. Now, this allows us to be able to sort accurately. Okay. Now that we have a filter up there, because we want all of the rows to move simultaneously. So let's just say we're looking at, hypothetically, scores out of 65 on the various teams that I've got in my class. So let's go ahead and sort my period 2 classes. Now, A to Z, Z to A, yes, I would definitely prefer if we had the numerical values, but A to Z is going to be your lowest value to your highest value. Z to A is going to be your highest and lowest. So let's go A to Z. So you can see I've got lowest value to highest value. Z to A, highest value to lowest value. You can see this works in any of these filtered columns. Team 4 had my highest score in period 1. Team 3 had my lowest score in period 1. So this works with any data. Now, if these were text values, they would, or in this case, maybe names, they would sort just simply by alphabetical order. So most of what we're typically doing in terms of sorting, we are probably looking at numerical values. So just in your head, just remember A to Z, lowest to highest, Z to A, highest to lowest. You can also do conditions for sorting. You can also filter by certain values. Now, for the most part, we are looking at simply pre-selected values in our experience in our schools. So I wanted to simply focus on those, but there are additional options in here for you to be able to look at. More times than not, though, you're going to stick to the primary 2 sorting options here. So, wanted to keep this video nice and short. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Otherwise, have a great day.